Included: flash unit, manual, charging cable, diffuser, filters, silicone holder, top button, power/test, front dial, mode and power control, USB-C port on the left, hot shoe and quick release lever at the bottom. Align hot shoe with camera. Push in, slide lever right to lock. Hold top button for 3 seconds. Rotate dial clockwise to activate. Short press to test. Flashing green light means recharging. Dial adjusts 10 flash levels. Press the dial to switch. S1, S2 hot shoe mode. Battery on left, mode in center, Bluetooth on right. Bluetooth enabled for firmware updates and special modes. Charge via USB-C when powered off. Diffuser and holder slide onto the flash. Filters attach magnetically.